Got a new fuel tank, sending unit. I put all new hardline from the sending unit up to the pump. I ran stainless steel brake line from the front to the back. Here's the new brake lines. Here's the old fuel tank sending unit. When I took it out, it was missing the sock, and the fuel line going to the pump was plugged up, so that had to replace. Top of the fuel tank doesn't look bad. Inside wasn't too bad, but one time in the car's life, somebody drilled a hole in the gas tank, and he plugged it with JB Weld and a bolt. So I figured I'll just change everything. Didn't look too bad inside. Here's the old fuel line. Ripped all that out. I don't know where it was plugged. I figure 50-something years, might as well change it.